Hi friends, welcome to Krishna's Tech Info. In this video we can see how to install PHP Composer on Ubuntu. PHP Composer is an application which tracks the dependency for your project. The Composer allows you to specify a set of libraries for a specific project, so you can identify and install the dependencies that are needed for your project using Composer. So now we can see how to install Composer on Ubuntu. For this you need to have these packages installed before installing Composer. These are the dependency packages. Give us to download and install the package. You also need to have the PHP version 5.3 or above to install PHP Composer. Now the packages are getting downloaded. This will take some time. Now the packages are installed. Next we can see how to install Composer. First we can download the Composer package from this following link. I'll provide the download link in the description and give enter. Now the package is downloaded. Next we can install it using this following command. This will install it in user local bin with the name composer. So we can use this command to install it. Now it's downloaded and installed in user local bin composer. So we can use the composer using the composer command. Now we can see the composer is successfully installed. You can see the version it is installed as 1.10.7. In this video we saw how to install PHP Composer on Ubuntu. Thanks for watching this video. Post your comments and suggestions. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell button to get instant notifications on my videos. You can follow me on this Instagram ID and Facebook page. For any queries you can reach me on this Skype ID.